Hi. Good morning, everyone. My name is Bhawna Piryani, and I'm pleased to present our research work on Chronicling America question answer QA, a large-scale question answering dataset based on historical American newspaper pages. Question answering is a highly developed task. Yet most existing datasets for question answering tasks are based on modern document collections like Wikipedia or web. However, archival documents such as historical newspapers are underutilized despite their rich information. Historical newspapers provide unique insights into past events, cultural norms, and societal attitudes. They also pose challenges such as archaic language, low quality OCR text, and complex layout. Our research addresses these challenges by creating a large-scale question answering dataset based on historical newspapers spanning 120 years. The main objective of our research is first, generation of large-scale question answering dataset based on historical newspaper pages spanning 120 years. Second, quantification of performance degradation of question answering tasks caused by noisy OCR text. So this is the framework for dataset generation. So our dataset generation framework consists of three main parts, that is data collection model, data preparation, and question answer generation model. We collected newspaper pages from Chronicling America collection, which is a publicly available repository that contains historical newspaper pages published across the United States, ranging from year 1700 to 1900. And then we collect the dataset, newspaper pages, newspaper content of newspaper pages, and then collect those raw OCR text of the digitized newspapers using the model and generate our question. So then we get our dataset Chronicling America QA, which contains question answering pairs in number of 487,000. So one of the challenges for utilizing the historical digitized newspaper pages is the raw OCR text, the noisy raw OCR text. Here we show an example of the newspaper page. So here A depicts a newspaper page from the Chronicling America. B shows the zoom-in picture, zoom-in of the paragraph, the newspaper page shown in A, and C shows the raw OCR text for the zoom-in paragraph. As shown in B, and then D depicts the corrected version of the raw OCR paragraph by GPT. So some of the dataset statistics are like figure on the left-hand side shows the temporal distribution of newspaper pages available across states over time in Chronicling America collection, whereas figure on the right-hand side depicts the number of raw OCR paragraphs and the GPT collected OCR paragraphs in our dataset, that is Chronicling America QA. Our dataset also consists of various types of questions, which and the distribution of these types of questions available in Chronicling America is shown on the figure on the left-hand side. We also analyzed various types of name entities available in our dataset. So the pie chart on the right-hand side shows the various distribution of various name entities. The majority of the entities are person, cardinal, date, and geopolitical entities. Here we show some of the examples from our dataset, which shows the high quality and richness of the historical information depicted in the questions. We also evaluated our dataset on various transformer models. From the results, we can see that the models trained on our dataset perform significantly better than the models trained on general datasets such as SQUAD. From the result, we can also see that the performance of the model degraded when the raw OCR paragraphs were used. Similarly, we also analyzed our dataset on large language models with models like Llama 2 and Mixtral. From the results here also demonstrate the necessity of utilizing the corrected OCR text, as noisy text degrades the performance of models both in transformer models and large language models. So in conclusion, we provide Chronicling America QA dataset, which offers a valuable resource for advancing question answering tasks on historical documents. We also highlighted the importance of utilizing the corrected OCR text, and and we also demonstrated the effectiveness of models fine-tuned on domain-specific datasets for evaluating the performance of historical texts. Our dataset is freely available for the research community, and we hope it helps to improve the performance of question answering tasks and NLP research on historical texts. Thank you for your attention.